Hi guys, my name is Matt and I graduated from Cardiff Uni in 2018 with a Masters in Mechanical Engineering. Nowadays, I work for a company called GE Aviation on a graduate scheme in Supply Chain and Operations Management. Now, a big part of the role I do on a daily basis is speaking to sites all around the world, from Seoul to Cincinnati. I've never met a lot of the people I speak to, and so sometimes creating those personal connections for the first time can be a bit hard. But hopefully in the time I've been doing this role, I've picked up a few tips and tricks which I'd like to share with you now. Firstly, tip number 1. Before you send any sort of message, check it. Think, am I coming across a bit too blunt, perhaps even rude, or am I waffling and not saying a lot? Remember that these people may not know you and may not even know your communication style. If you're sending a message to someone for the first time, why not ask them for a call or a video chat? This might make you stand out from the crowd and show that you're a lot more keen and engaged than everyone else. Tip number 2. Use social media to your advantage. Whether it's for personal or professional reasons, make sure it's up to date, make sure it's relevant. Follow the sorts of topics you're interested in and portray a picture that you might want future employers, colleagues, maybe even employees to see of you. Research more into the people you're communicating with as well to show that you're actually interested in them. Tip number 3, remember that practice makes perfect. This is no exception. Do dry runs, get friends to read over things, and it will really help you in the long run. Finally, tip number 4. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back from going for opportunities. Yes, you might not get it right first time. Yes, it might take you 20 attempts, much like this video. But if you're willing to dive in, it will be so much better for you in the long run. Hopefully these tips have helped. I have no fear that you'll be able to conquer this ever-changing virtual world.